Hello guys, welcome back to MJ Crypto, and right in this video I'm going to be showing you the launchpad of BitGet. Okay, BitGet is actually a derivative exchange. I talked about that previously, and I'll be introducing you to the launchpad where new coins, new listings, all right, will actually be posted. Now, what is a launchpad? A launchpad is actually a platform that holds new listings of coins. In other words, when a coin is actually going to be listed, is first of all going to show on the launchpad so that people can stake on that coin. In other words, so they can buy a pre-sale of that coin. All right, let me put it that way so you understand in simple terms what I am saying. So when you buy from the launchpad, the value of that coin will actually be what? Very low and minimal. All right, so you can accumulate as many as you can, and when the price is actually up, that is after launching, you can cash out your money and make some good profit. All right, so right into business. Launchpad, let's go there and see what it actually looks like. Good. You can see right here, BitGet LaunchPad. It says invest in the best just before they rocket. In other words, buy the prices when they are actually very low. Stake on them. All right. And then when they are launched, the prices will skyrocket and you make some good profit for yourself. Basically, that's what the launchpad is. So under here in the launchpad, you're going to be seeing different projects that has been launched before. I want you guys to take this very seriously. Always ensure that you come here once in a while to check on the coins that will actually be listed very soon on this exchange. All right, you can see here Kyoko was previously listed. Let's see when Kyoko was listed. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Look at the participation process. Okay, registration started on the 6th of April. Ticket accumulation started on the 6th of April. Ticket distribution, token exchange, I'm talking about the listing now, started on the 8th of April. All right, basically UTC +1. You can see the time here. All right, so now how do you actually participate in this project? Okay, just in case you come across them in the nearest future, let's go back. How do you participate in them? When a coin is about to be listed here on the launchpad, or rather on this exchange, it's going to first of all appear here on the launchpad so that you can stake on them. All right, here you can see all these projects have been ended, they have been ended, and so on and so forth. So in order to participate, you first of all hold the BGB. Now, what is BGB? BGB is simply the BitGet what? Token. It's a native token of BitGet exchange. Okay, you're going to hold that token right here on your spot wallet or whichever wallet you have. Okay, so after the launching, it will be released back to you. A new project is not out right now, so I can't really show you how it works, but basically it's a staking process. You're just going to stake your BGB, hold it for some time, okay, let it accumulate, and then they will give you the value of what you've staked. Okay, the exchange BitGet will give you the value of what you have staked. All right, it's that simple. After the what? Allocation phase. So guys, this is basically how it works. You can see here we have another project. This one ended as well. Bot Planet. What is it about? It says Bot Planet is a multi-chain ecosystem built under the UX of an NFT-based play-to-end game. All right, I like NFTs projects a lot because they usually bring high returns. I've done a lot of projects before, and I can attest to that. That is actually very profitable. So guys, this is basically how it works. It's very simple, easy to understand. So just simply come here when you want to do a launchpad project. Okay, very easy. So now let's check out this Kyoko on the Spots wallet and see how it performed. Let's just go and check it out and see for ourselves how it's actually performed. All right, that's what we're about to do right now. Good. So now let's go to Spot let's go to Kyoko. Now let's check how much this price was listed, and let's see how much it rose to. Okay, now let's see how much it rose to. It was listed at 0.1. Wow, wonderful. Was listed at 0.1 and it rose up to 0.35. That's for Kyoko. So you can see if you had actually participated in the staking process and you'd have accumulated a lot of Kyoko, when the price gets high, that is when it is actually launched, you'd have been in massive profit. So this is another avenue to actually look into, the launchpad of BitGet. BitGet, like I said, is a derivatives exchange ranked top 5 on MC CoinMarketCap. Go check them out. I love this exchange a lot, and I'm doing my best to actually ensure that you follow in line with what I'm teaching you. To sign up, use my promo link right in the description of this video, and you get a reward bonus of 153 USDT. All right, simple and straight. When you want to do their copy trading and all that, if you've not done that, simply go to my copy trading videos and rewatch how I explained how it works. All right, so cheers guys, I'm gonna see you in the next video. I'll be talking about other aspects that you can utilize to make some good money for yourself using BitGet. Okay, cheers, have a good time, enjoy yourself, trade responsibly, and do trade with BitGet.